the previous 2 episodes, we explored the Petermai district of Willemstad, Curacao. In this episode, we begin our diving adventure beneath the waves by visiting Grote Knip. Grote Knip is 25 miles northwest of Willemstad. As always, if you like our content, please like and subscribe. Grote Knip, officially Playa Canepa Grande, is very popular with the locals. The beach has free admittance and free parking. Beach chairs can be rented for the day for $7 US. Snorkeling along the rock wall surrounding the cove is stunning. With a short swim, the coral reef can be accessed further out in the water. Well worth the swim. After a long day in the ocean, we returned to the hotel. Dinner and drinks was now a priority. An evening of talking about the day's events had us looking forward to tomorrow. Our next day's stop was Mambo Beach. Mambo Beach has a reputation for having a great tiki bar and amazing snorkeling. We discovered pretty quickly that the water clarity was vastly better outside of the seawall. Thank you for joining us on our 2025 Curacao adventure. Laura and I look forward to our next adventure aboard our 50-foot Hatteras on Lake Michigan. We plan to bring you along on our Great Lakes cruises this season. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.